Hi there! You are watching Gizmo Journal. Whether you are clicking videos with your phone, or you are a professional capturing very high bitrate ProRes videos with your Cine cameras, handling big data is very space-consuming. These files are accumulated over the months and years. Keeping them on storage devices is costly for sure. Also, sharing media via email attachments or file sharing sites is also an issue for big media files. Introducing the Wondershare Uniconverter 16, which is powered by AI. It can compress your 4K, even 8K videos without any degradation of quality. UniConverter is available for Windows, Mac, and iOS. After you download and install the UniConverter 16, find the Compressor Tool and click it. You can drag and drop your videos and audio files directly or add via browser. First, I will import my whole video folder, and as you can see, all are added one by one. I want to add more files, some audio files this time, so let me do that. This software supports 1,000 plus video and audio formats, so you won't have to worry about the compatibility. UniConverter 16 supports batch compression. You can set the compression rate here for all the files imported. It's faster and easier. More compression settings can be found here, which we will discuss later in this video. Let's start with video file compression. This is a full HD video of 19 seconds length, yet the file size is 136 megabytes. At the preset 65% compression rate, the target file size is 88 megabytes. Let's further modify it. You can set the percentage of target file size. Now, the compression tool also packs built-in converter feature, which might help you reduce the size depending on the codec. From advanced settings, change the video encoder for a more efficient codec. HEVC can substantially compress the file size. Lowering the resolution can also help with the file size reduction, while maintaining sharpness. You can in fact increase the resolution to up to Ultra HD and 4K. The frame rate be tweaked if you want. It can also play a role in file compression, high frequency, and slow motion videos are generally very high in size. Similarly, audio encoder can be set from here. You can reduce the number of channels and lower the sample bitrate to further shrink the video file. Once all set, click OK and start the file compression. It is done. Let's play it. As you can see, there is no visible artifacts or degradation in quality. The video looks smooth and clear. This is the original video. For playbacks in your smartphones, on social media, and other devices, there will be no actual difference. Now let us try the AI compression. UniConverter 16 can efficiently compress video files by up to 85% without losing much details. The target file size will be very small, perfect for social media posts and email attachments. You can see a preview before actually compressing the file. It will not be saved into your hard drive. This will be the video quality at 35% file size that is at 65% compression rate. There are some pixelation visible when you watch on bigger screen, but still the video doesn't lose much clarity. Let us set it to 50% and compress the file. This is the result, very much detailed without much issues. Let us compare it with the original file. Very close. Next, let us check out the audio compression. You can set the compression rate here. The format can be changed as needed. Changing the audio codec, channel, and sample rate can also help in audio file reduction. Let us compress this file now. It's done, let me play.
No matter what you're hooked on, make sure you don't slip on anything that makes you.
Very clear audio with no quality loss. We already discussed how to set the compression rate for all the files. Let me set it to 75% and compress all the files. With the help of GPU acceleration, UniConverter can speed up the compression speed by 120 times. All are done in a minute. So this is how to compress your data and save space in your hard drive instead of deleting your memorable videos and audios. UniConverter 16 is definitely a valuable tool for your file compression needs. It features 20 more functions. Try the software today. Check the video notes to know more about the software. You were watching Gizmo Journal.